Alright, here we go. Hydrogen tutorial video. So, it's kind of hard to see, but it's easy to use. So, yeah, I can barely get that all in my camera. That's what it looks like. Alright, so over here on the left, those are the drum noises. And you see it says kick, stick, snare, etc. Alright, and then this box over here is where you create your beats. And all you do is click where, see, like that's the kick over here. If you click it, it makes the noise, but when you click over here, then that's where it sets your drums. So I start off by making like a beat with the bass drum. Let's do something simple here. There we go. And then up at the top, there's the option of pattern or song, whichever one's selected. If you have it on pattern, then it will just play that current pattern that I'm on, which is this here. And then up here in the top left, there's multiple patterns. See, if I click on 2, now that one's blank. If I go back to 1, now we're back there, so I can edit that pattern. Alright, and then you click these blocks up here to set your patterns. So I've got 2 of them set for number 1. And that will just keep playing in a loop. Alright. And then you click pattern 2 right there, and then actually never mind, I'm gonna delete these patterns over here. Delete, 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 delete. Why are there so many of them? Damn, 10 patterns. Alright, so now we just have that first pattern. Alright, and then you can copy pattern 1. I'll ask you what you want to name it. I'm just going to go with pattern 1 number 2. And so now we've got pattern number 1 again, and then I'm going to add some stuff to it. Add a snare and a clap. There we go. And then go back up here and click 2 more of these boxes. Doesn't matter how many you want. There, you can do whatever. And alright, and then let's copy pattern 1 again. I'll call this pattern 1 number 3. Alright, and then we'll add something else, like, how about the tom? And what else do we got here? Cowbell. Yeah, we need some cowbell. Boom, there we go. There's pattern number 1, or pattern 1 number 3. Alright, and so we'll add that in now. And then whoops, I accidentally added that to pattern 1, not number 3. So, okay, cowbell. There we go. And low tom. Alright, there. Now, see our 3 patterns being played 2 times each. Alright, so there's that. And then over here is where you choose your drum kits and stuff. And those top 4 are the first, are the ones that came with it, and then the other ones are the ones I downloaded here. Death metal and techno stuff. And then you can click on those, and you can click and drag. Well, you can double click them to hear what they sound like. And then, let's see, you'll find a cool something. Which, that's the death metal one. That one's actually not that cool. Alright, this one's got like 10 different kick drums. Yeah, that one sounds cool. And click and drag it over here, and it will just add it to your list of drums. Move that one up to the top there. Click and drag it and put it anywhere in this list you want. Alright, and then so maybe we'll copy pattern 1 again. Just doing this so that I can see where I already put the beats down. And then instead of the regular kick, make it the hard kick. And get rid of those ones. Actually, I could have just done that from scratch, but whatever. So, there. Now there's that. And then, what else? Oh, there's the mixer up here. If you click that, then you can edit the sound levels of all the drums. And then there's also these plugins here where you can add sound effects or mods or whatever to it. And if you go back to the instrument tab here, switch between you can change the settings on this stuff and make the drums sound different, add gain to them and resonance and whatever. And alright, so just adding random drums here. There we go. Alright, well, now let's see what our song sounds like. Oh, I accidentally changed pattern 1 to the hard kick, which I did not mean to do, but whatever. Anyway, this shit's pretty super easy to use after you play around with it for a while. Just clicking on things. And then also, here is a button for switching between drums and piano. The piano just plays the drum noises at like different tones. Right now that's the tom high. And so for the piano, you just click on whichever one you want to use over here in your list, and then you can click on the piano spots and add extra stuff to it. So that sounds weird. Wow. Yeah, I keep getting sidetracked here, so maybe you're not even going to learn anything from this. Sorry. But yeah, I mean, it's really easy to use. Basically, all you need to know is, here's your drums, here's the places you click to put the drums down, and then up here, your patterns that you've made, and then you put them on this grid. So, I'll open a different one that I've already done. Get rid of this crap. And there's Rainbow open. And here's this one. See? And then there's the first pattern. there's that one, and that one, and they just basically keep getting more stuff added to them as I made more patterns. This is some industrial sounding shit. I like it. Alright, so I think that pretty much covers it. If you got any questions, then we'll figure that out later. Peace out.